Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a fruit. It's a sweet and juicy fruit, known for its vibrant orange color and delicate flavor. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as apricot, apricot, cot, apricot. An interesting fact about apricots is that they have been cultivated for over 4,000 years and were enjoyed by ancient civilizations such as the Greeks and Romans. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about apricots, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.